Before I knew I was going to move to France, I signed myself up for a yoga retreat in Costa Rica. After a couple weeks of living in France, I headed on a long journey across the globe again. The Madly in Love with Me retreat, hosted by Charlton, is all about true self-love and getting back in touch with yourself. The retreat was hosted in the beautiful Nosara. This retreat was all about tranquility, transformation, enjoying yoga and meditation daily, doing different workshops that are designed to soothe and propel you into absolute bliss, and staying at a luxury resort focused on complete wellness. It was just the perfect thing. Before going surfing for the first time, we stopped by the Bodhi Surf Club, waiting for our awesome surfing coach. Surfing had always been on my bucket list, but I never thought in a million years that I would love it as much as I did. Now, I just want to find all the places in the world that I can go and surf. I may not be that good at it yet, but it's really fun. We going in the water? Let's go in the water. I'm coming. There's almost nothing in this world quite like a Costa Rican sunset. And my favorite thing was that everyone would come out to the beach every evening to watch it. Costa Rica reminds you to live a slower life, to appreciate the little things. They have a saying, Pura Vida, meaning pure life or simple life. However, it's much more than just a phrase. It's a way of life.
your shoulder. The more you press into your fingertips, the more you're going to feel pedaling out your feet. Try adjusting the length of your downward dog and see if it feels a bit better if your stance is longer. Walk your feet a bit further back. And then from there, bend both knees just a little bit and send your hips straight up. Push into your hands. So you're really creating length in the spine here. When you have lots and lots of length, you can start to straighten your legs again, but your downward dog might actually have bent knees that might be more comfortable. Good. Big breath in. As you exhale, you can bend the knees and either hop, step, or walk towards the front of the mat. Inhale, hands to shins, lengthen the spine, keeping the core engaged. Exhale and fold forward. Inhale all the way up to standing, arms up and overhead. And exhale, hands together in front of your head. Inhale, reach the arms all the way up. And exhale, fold down towards the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Lengthen the spine, tuck into your chin. Exhale, let's do that 2 more times. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Lengthen the back of your neck. Exhale, fold. And then inhale to find lots of length. Exhale, fold. Step back into downward facing dog. Big breath here in downward dog. Open your mouth, exhale. Inhale, lift your right leg. Bend your leg at your knee and open your hips towards the right side. Pressing through the right heel, left leg stays straight. Exhale, downward dog. Breathe into the right hip. See if you can lift your knee a little higher.
Something I couldn't possibly forget is the amazing people that I met on this retreat. Hearing their stories, sharing the love and laughter. These are amazing people.
Anyway,
Hola! I love Nosara. They built their incredible store around pieces of the jungle. Not to mention they have some very beautiful clothing, so I couldn't help myself from buying something. Being in Costa Rica meant we absolutely had to go salsa dancing. Salina Nosara is a hostel not far from the resort, and they have regular salsa nights. With their treehouse looking accommodations, I had never seen anything like this place before. The retreat and the trip to Costa Rica was unforgettable. I really can't wait till I can go back. But I guess in the meantime, I'll just keep dreaming of those Costa Rican sunsets. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. And if you have any questions or comments, leave it down below.